Very impeachable Catholic Governor Newsom, who hates saints, has just met with the Archbishop Gomez, and Archbishop, he looks over, the church is empty, and he sees that altar boy, and he calls him over and he says, "I've got something for you to do." And then he holds up that big Iranian Solari Enterprises kickback stuff that Governor Newsom, very impeachable Governor Newsom, had given him. He says, "I want you to take this to the limo out on the corner. I can't be seen there." And yes, they get that chant going next church service. Recall because we can't call, wherever Governor Newsom might be doing the photo ops with the Catholic Church. Recall because we can't call.